Maxito.
It's not as cute as it was with the kites.
This is hilarious. Charlotte crawling after
Max. Straight for the water. Straight for the water.
No, Maxito. What are you doing? There's your friend. There's your friend. Go get her.
Violet, you're vicious. Vicious little girl. You going for the Swiffer too?
Hi, boys and girls. Are you trying to catch him? You trying to catch him?
Hi, Charlotte.